This 2012 Dutchmen Coleman CTS260BH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Longs, North Myrtle Beach, South Carolina 29568 and is offered for sale by Recreation USA. This used Dutchman is 28 feet 8 inches in length and features one slideout, sleeps 8, smoke detector, microwave, auxiliary battery, external shower, slideout, leveling jacks, Colorado detector, skylight, air conditioning, oven, and 46 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, front bedroom. The unloaded weight of this 2012 Dutchmen Coleman CTS260BH is 6,202 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Recreation USA, visit RVUSA.com.